Hello everybody, welcome to Aida's Learning Center. Today we're going to be learning about comparing numbers, so let's get to it. For this activity, you are going to be needing some number tiles, a place value chart. You're also going to need some numbers to work with and some greater than, less than, equal signs for the activity. So let's go ahead and get started. So we have the numbers 67 and 76 to compare. So let's go ahead and put that in our place value chart. So we have 67. We don't have any hundreds or thousands. And then we have the number 76. So 76. Okay, so let's go ahead and compare. The way you compare this is by looking at the greatest place value. So we know that tens is greater than 1. So if I look at this column here, I have a 6 and a 7. Now the greatest place value here is the 7. Okay, so if I go ahead and put this number first, okay, I can say that 7 is greater than 6. So 76 is greater than 67. So if you guys know the alligator trick, the alligator always wants to eat the biggest number. So the alligator is going to eat the 76. Good way to read this as a number sentence is you can say 76 is greater than 67. Now you could switch it around too, since we have the 67 first. We could put 67 and 76 second. We know that 6 is less than 70. So instead of saying that it's greater than, we can switch our sign and say 67 is less than 76. So it's pretty simple. 245 and 213. So let's go ahead and put that in our place value chart. We have a 245 and a 213. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at our greatest place value here, which is the hundreds. And we notice that they both have a 2. So they both have 200. So now we got to go to the next place value, which is the tens. So we see that we have 4 tens and 1 10. So 4 tens is actually greater than the 1 10. So let's go ahead and place our numbers. We have 245 and 213 in that same order. So we know that they both have 200s. This one has 4 tens and this one has 1 10. So 245 is greater than 213. Now we could switch this around, but we would have to switch our sign. So if we switch this, we know that 213 is less than. So you can put your sign like this because it's eating the biggest number. So 213 is less than 245. That's how you would read your number sentence. 381 and 381. Let's go ahead and put that in our place value chart. Okay, so 381, let's take a look at our greatest place value, which is our hundreds. They both have 3 hundreds. Let's look at the tens. They both have 8 tens. And let's look at the ones. They both have 1s. So these numbers are actually equal. So we would use our equal sign because they both have the same number of hundreds, tens, and ones. 2,394. So let's put that on here. 2,394. And then we have 3,102. Okay, so let's go ahead and compare it. Let's look at our greatest place value, which is the thousands. So this one's pretty simple here. We have 2,000 and then we have 3,000. So right away, we already know that 3 is greater than 2. So, and 2 is less than 3. So it just really depends. If you want to put 2,394 first and then put your 3,102 second, you can compare these numbers. We know that 2 is less than 3. So we need to make sure we have the right sign. So we can say 2,394 is less than 3,102. So the way that you can remember this is that the alligator is going to be eating the biggest number. So the 3 was the greatest number. So pretty simple. Go ahead and try this on your own. Download the cards and go ahead and try some samples on your own. If you found this video helpful, please share, like, and subscribe for more videos.